Understanding point expiration in reward programs. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to unravel the meaning and implications of point expiration in various reward programs. Whether it's your favorite shopping rewards, airline miles, or credit card points, understanding point expiration is crucial to maximize your benefits. Stay tuned as we break down this concept into easily digestible parts. Point expiration refers to the policy set by companies where the points or rewards you accumulate can expire after a certain period. This means if you don't use them within the specified time, you lose them. It's a way for companies to encourage frequent use of their services and ensure that the liability of these points doesn't accumulate indefinitely on their financial records. Companies have various reasons for implementing point expiration policies. 1. Encouraging frequent use. Companies want you to use their services regularly, and expiring points push customers to engage more often. 2. Financial management. From a financial perspective, expired points mean less liability on the company's books. It helps in maintaining a healthier balance sheet. 3. Updating rewards programs. Sometimes, companies need to change or upgrade their rewards system, and having a point expiration policy makes this transition smoother. To make sure you get the most out of your points before they expire, consider the following tips. 1. Track your points. Keep an eye on your point balance and know the expiration dates. 2. Plan redemptions. Have a plan for how you'll use your points. Whether it's for travel, shopping, or converting to cash, a plan helps in utilizing the points optimally. 3. Stay informed. Companies sometimes change their policies. Stay updated to avoid any surprises regarding your points. If you find your points are about to expire, you have a few options. 1. Redeem points. Use them for whatever rewards the program offers, be it travel, products, or services. 2. Buy to extend. Some programs allow you to buy a small number of points to extend the life of all your points. 3. Transfer points. See if the program allows you to transfer points to another program or even to another member, which might have different expiration policies. Understanding point expiration is crucial to make the most out of any reward program. By staying informed and planning your point use strategically, you can ensure that you maximize the benefits these programs offer. We hope this video has been helpful in explaining the concept of point expiration. Remember, your points are valuable, so make sure to use them before they expire. See you in the next video.